But texting.
I'm not texting.
You're reading? Are you typing? Yes, I'm typing. Eres todo mojado. Oh my gosh. Ay! Oh, I'm sorry.
I was about to say you're welcome.
I know. I'm recording.
For what?
Memories.
YouTube.
No!
I was thinking we was gonna see it.
You don't even tell me.
Dying.
That's how I posted up Arm's video.
Flip your hair back and forth.
No. Okay.
This is the shit.
She kills it a lot. Yeah, 'cause it's not awkward to say.
Can you turn it off?
Sure. Okay. Come on, please. Let me record a story.
Memories.
You might be
What is
the
going
same
to do next year?
So everyone that uses YouTube can know how my teacher is.
You're just looking like that. I was making nervous. It is?
Fine.
I forgot what's going on.
Okay. That's our Nicholas I'm sorry. My friend Dustin sent me this video of himself singing. He sent me a video of himself singing, and then I sent him a recording of myself singing so he wouldn't feel special and dumb. And he decided we needed to sing together because he can play guitar and I can sing kind of, you know. And he was like, I had always wanted to get a girl to sing so-and-so songs so I could play guitar and she could sing the song. And so yesterday I was like trying to record myself singing it, and it was not going well. That was my story. That was my story. What happens to your neck?
I don't know, it does that. It itches real bad.
What y'all thinking wrong? I'm just kidding.
Ha ha! It's not easy.
Estrella. Language.
I'm just saying, that would hurt.
I don't have much song.
Let me see, can I find it? What part are you playing, second or third? Second? There you go. Oh my gosh, stop it. Turn it off.
Okay.